Federal judge in Florida is asking the Justice Department to provide more specific information about the classified records removed from former President Donald Trump's Florida estate. Now, this comes as the judge in the case considers appointing a special master to review the seized documents. ABC's Christine Sloan has more on that.
A federal judge appears to be leaning toward appointing a special master to oversee the review of evidence federal investigators recovered from their search of Mar-a-Lago. Former President Donald Trump's legal team made the request. In a notice posted Saturday, the judge who was appointed by Trump scheduled arguments for September 1st. The director of national intelligence is set to evaluate the potential risks to national security that may have resulted from classified documents being held at Mar-a-Lago. Democratic House committee chairs had pushed for a review, saying after seeing the unsealed affidavit, quote, "It is critical that the intelligence community move swiftly to assess and, if necessary, to mitigate the damage done." The affidavit was used in the FBI request for a warrant to search Mar-a-Lago. The document is highly redacted. The DOJ explained those redactions, writing the government has well-founded concerns that steps may be taken to frustrate or otherwise interfere with this investigation if facts in the affidavit were prematurely disclosed.
The affidavit itself even says that it requests to be sealed because there are unidentified parties that they are still looking at and other charges that could come out of this.
Former President Trump has been critical of the investigation and claims he did nothing wrong. But despite his criticism of the redactions in the affidavit, his legal team did not argue for its release in court. Christine Sloan, ABC News, New York.